Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an online quiz by just using MCQ PDF question paper. It does not require any overwhelming technology, any application, or any workflow to take care of the pre-production and production of work. So all you need is this cloud-based platform, which can be accessed from anywhere, and an MCQ PDF question paper. So no need to do any cut pasting, no need to do any typing, or no more manipulation of any images there. So it's a great tool for the teachers and coaching institutes. So let me go ahead and start by logging in here. I put my email ID or phone number as a teacher, which has been given access to this platform, and the OTP will come to my email, and then I will log in to this through the OTP. So I'm waiting for the OTP. Now OTP is here. Let me copy paste it and put it back in the OTP section and then validate it. Now I'm logged in. So there are two tabs. These are all the tests which I have made, and these are my batches which I have created. We can add and create as many as batches so that I can manage my students and subscribers from this tab. So I go to uh, my test, and I click on the create test button here, and I choose the PDF MCQ PDF question paper which I already have on my computer. So what will it do? It will open it up, and thus we have this PDF question paper, which is like any other PDF paper, which has so many questions, and these are options which is very uninteractive. So let's go ahead and make it an online quiz. So this is the question number one. This is the panel, question panel, where control panel, and these are the OMR sheet or the listing of the question where I can see or review it as a teacher. So the first question, so this is the number of question. These are the type of question which is dealt in this platform: single correct, multiple correct, fill in the blanks, assertion reasoning, true and false, etc. This is the marking scheme. You can put any marks to any correct option, incorrect option, or unattempted one. This also has the partial marking. So I click. So right now it's 1 marks for the correct. Let's go ahead and add the four option. I go ahead and start making it a little interactive by adding ready button in front of it. Suppose the first option is the correct choice. So I do this and I click on the save. So first question is added. So you can see I can delete it from here. This is the question type: correct marks 1, incorrect 0, and not attempted is 0. Similarly, the second option, suppose the same marking scheme and same type of question. So I go on and click on add, and I go ahead and do this in front of each of the option. And suppose the second option is correct, or maybe fourth option is correct, then I do it fourth, and then I save it here, and then I keep on going and keep adding all the questions here what I have here, and thus I can make a test out of it. And so I have created this already, which has all the correct option, 48 questions, 48 marks. So I go ahead and show you here. This is how it looks, the 48 questions here. And then what I'm going to do is save test. I click on save test. Suppose this is general study test, and suppose 48 question, and I would like 60 minutes allocated. I can write the description: GS test by Professor Thakur, or I can add any other detail. There's a solution file section. I can add a solution file here so that students can will get a solution paper in their mails or the text link so that they can refer it back when they are analyzing the paper. And I attach to it and I click save. After clicking the saving button, see the GS test has been created, and I go on and show you what does it do. So number of so now the detail and the test title and the details are here, and I can delete this test or share it with other colleagues, other teachers, or anybody who is interested in giving to their students. I can schedule it or I can edit it. So edit you have already seen. I'm going to go ahead and schedule this test. So I'm going to, so there are two options, closed-ended and open-ended. Closed-ended means a specific date and time, like an actual test is happening. Right now I'm going to do it an open test which has no end date, and the student batches I can allocate, or and also I can allow the external students, so that the student batches which are not present the student database in the database, they can also take the test, but they have to uh, you know uh, that way I can collect their mobile number and my database can be enriched. I can also sell this paper to whosoever I want with a payment gateway. So I go ahead and schedule this test, and if you see, the test has been scheduled, and I can copy the test URL and post it in the mails or uh, in the mm, in the WhatsApp group or Telegram channel, and I can stop this or I can edit the schedule. I can also print this QR code and paste it on top of in any book or in my class, so that student can come, scan this QR code and start taking the test. So this is a great way to create online quizzes without doing any pre-production or production work of content. So no content typing, copy pasting, or um, images. Also you do not require any overwhelming application or technology, which sometimes becomes very handy and becomes a roadblock. Thank you so very much.